Hello， 私は学長です。今天我们继续来做 Doors。
Same for our desk as well. We can pretty easily create a desk in 2 drawers, so we just duplicate this.
So
And
I
we have a
skip here.
remote, and we'll do the same thing, so transparency to 1, and we'll name it Rhino.
And did I do this? Finish? No, I didn't finish. So name this to primary,
And we'll set the primary part of the desk to that part.
and primary part is primary.
There we go, so we've got a drawer, and we've got a desk, and they perfectly match up with our sizes. So now it's finally time to do some scripting. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into script service, we've got our server script, we've got our room script, and size of the room
Script time. Let's open script.
a
The
new
module script 2.
module script that we're going to simply call furniture.
Furniture.
And then inside of our room script, obviously we need to get this module, so we open the room one, and just like one, and the very top, it's a local furniture equals require quick dot furniture.
Name it this first. The room script. Okay, close this script and
And just like when we're calling the door.new function, we're going to do something very similar here. We're going to create some new furniture for ourselves. So let's head back into that furniture script from the main model to furniture.
Okay, I'll skip here.
These models such as and then we're going to have to check if that room model, if it actually contains a furniture folder. Because remember, some of these models such as that upstairs one doesn't actually have a furniture model in it folder, it doesn't spawn any furniture. So we're going to check if the room model by first child furniture, if it contains furniture, then furniture part, so function block of that template in the part. Because remember, we named these parts desk and drawer. So to keep things organized while designing straight in the workspace, it would probably help if we selected both of these and put these in a folder. So we've got a rooms folder with all our rooms inside of, and now we're going to have a furniture folder.
Okay, make this to let this to folder.
Select both of these and put these in a folder.
The table and drawer and name it to furniture.
Folder. So we've got a rooms folder with all our rooms inside of, and now we're going to have a furniture folder, which is just going to contain a desk and a drawer. And so now we can say workspace. So then we want to right dots equals same parent as the this function from the room module. So if we go with the template, we can go ahead and just
It's a
above the door, we're going to call this function from the room tile, and then go ahead and say furniture model dot parent equals same parent as the template.
Okay, I'll screenshot to here and tell him. Okay, let's see.
Inside, and then seems we've done with the
Why is
template, we go
next
ahead
to
and
this?
split. So once we've done that, we just need to make sure we're calling this function from the room module. So if we go into the room module, and just above the door, we're going to call furniture dot furniture room, and we'll provide the new
Furniture room.
That's everything good. Let's go ahead and we can put play.
Okay, this is. Let me do this first. The furniture room and new room. The door script, no room script, and it's here. Why this is a little different? Because here. Okay, no problem. I don't. No, maybe no problem. And furniture, furnish room, and the new room. Didn't I do this? What? Oh. Okay. And let's see. Let's watch video first.
We'll load in. You can see I redesigned the beautiful start view.
Also, he changes the star room. Let me change star room too. Where's the star room? Oh, it's over there. And elevator. Oh, here. Why this is looks little different? Okay, no problem. And this is little different. Yes, but let's bring this to here. I'll bring more from. I'll bring this to here and I'll move this to here. Okay, and I don't think I need this anymore. Yep. This to the... Where did I spawn this elevator? Oh, it's here. And rename to Star Room. Yep, same thing and exit. Bring this to here. And I don't need this now. Okay, and copy this color to paste to here. And this is a little different, so the material, yep, the material is different. This, yeah. Why is this? Why it's not connected? And this is not connected too, so move to here. Oh, no, this is good, but okay, and yep, we did it. I think this, oh, it's connected. It's be connected, but wait, where is the roof go? Where did the roof go? Let me connect to here. Wait, so we're wrong. What is this? Okay, I'll copy this. Let me copy this and yep, this is normal. I don't think I need this anymore. What is this? And okay, and this side. Bring, okay, we did. And is this be connected yet? Okay, the next is, let me copy this script and I need this. I remember this has something.
Everything good? Just make sure.
Yeah, template district. Template this.
This function from the view module. So if we go into the view module and just a view, of course we're still keeping perfectly out of theme the rest of the place. And if we walk in here, there we go.
Yeah, this should be no problem. Wait, this is too small. The door is a little big. Why it's so small? Should I change the elevator side? No, I don't think I need to change elevator side. And the starter room and elevator door. Do I need door? This is not. Wait, I need door. I need. And model, okay. And bar, what? Okay. Exit. Yep. So let me stop first. And what is this? I don't think we need this thing. and we need to connect this exit. And if we need to do that, then we need to let elevator more big, so bring this out first and let this one too. Let's see, can this be connect? No, still need more big. Okay, 1 and 2. Let's see, how about this time? Oh, this is good. Why this can't be connect? Oh, connected, but just little different. Yes. I can't change the door side, the exit side. So let me change start room. Okay, let me move this to here and this thing to here. Why is this? Do we need that? Okay, I'll save that. And we need to move this to right here. Wait, this is not even be connect. Is this be connect? Let me check. No. What? Why? Oh, this is connect this time, and this side is not be connected. Okay, I'll just change the side. Why is this? Why this can't be connected? And let me bring this to here and okay, so let's see. This time still not be connected, but no problem. I'll just give up. Let's see. Okay, let me exit to start room, and okay, little different, and this is so different. Why is this thing? It is connected this time? Nope, still not. Let me change this to 5 and okay, so you should go away first. And what? Why? Why can't connect this? Because you? Okay, I'll back them and make this transparency to 0. Okay, so I'm tired to do this. And the down ground. How to fix this? Let me let this down and change this thing. Yep, this is different. So I'm tired to change. Okay, I did it. And let this to transparency to 1. Let's see. Okay, finally we did it. Okay, so and reverse again. And I need water here. Wait, how to fix this? Well, I'll bring this from like 1. Okay, and I need a wall. I need the wall. Wait, you come here. Okay, and bring to here. So let this to start room first, and let this down to here and bring this to middle. Okay, let's change it. Maybe I can just make by 1 thing. What? Okay, and I need let this to 2 wall. And this is 2. And this 2. And I'll do this 2. Okay, we done. This is a little different. Not little, so different. Why didn't put this to middle? Is the middle here? Let me check. Okay, we need to up this more. So 8 is good. 1, 2, 3, 4. And okay, and I need to do this too. So copy and let both small and copy to here, and last one. Okay, and there we go. Wait, this is a little different. Okay, and I think I need to do this too. No, I don't need. Let's check. Okay, it's good. Finally we did it. What? Only desk is different. Why? And this is different too. Okay, the S room 1, 2. I'll fix the desk later. S room, the S room, and you turn to this, and you turn to this. Okay, let's check. The long room, only you. Okay, and the long room, only this. And next. Okay, the S room, you, everyone. Reverse S room, and you should do this, and this should this, and this too. Okay, next. Okay, the stairs room. So next is a small room is good. and the tea room. Okay, everyone up, down, reverse. Okay, S room is good now, and this tea room is good. Everyone is good. Okay, what different? Let me check. The tea room was different. Everyone. Tea room. No, not you. Okay. It is all, maybe. And let's see why the desk was different. So did I miss something? Okay, I'll let the table to desk, and I don't think that only that.
Upstairs one doesn't actually have a furniture model in full. We don't spawn any furniture. So we're going to check if the room model is set to a essential.
Maybe
and the got is a local. So now we've got all these templates set up. Let's actually go and build some furniture and make sure it's the same size as the templates we've just created. And here we go. I now have a chest of drawers, and we can see it's exactly the same size as the template. If I was to move it over and make sure it lined up, there we go. You can see it's exactly the same size, perfectly fits into those dimensions of 3.5 by 3 by 2.5. And we've got these little drawers. It's pretty basic, but it's not a bad little model. So as soon as we got through these, we're going to set these up. So I'll just delete the one at the top, and then we can set up the one at the bottom. So select all the parts, go to front part, it's got a little knob at the front, bottom part, and all these side parts. And if we just drag this thing out, so we can actually see the thing properly. Now the bottom part is the only one we're going to care about. So make sure that the orientation indicator is pointing forwards, which it is, super. And we'll name it to draw. And we also want to make sure that all of these draw parts are unanchored, okay? With the exception of the draw part itself. So we'll anchor this, and we can then weld all the items to it. So we select them all, and go to the model tab, create, and click to create a weld. And if we click constraint details, draw on top, and show weld, we should then see all these little welds joining everything together. Okay, and so there we go, we know that everything is set up. And we can then move this back in if we want, so we can move it back into the little chest of drawers, and then we can duplicate that thing and drag it back up, and we'll turn off the welds we don't need them any longer. And then what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this drawer template we created, move that into position there, and we'll set the transparency to 1. And then we're going to select the whole thing, Control G, group it together, we'll call it drawer. And then that draw part, the template part, we're going to name that primary, and then we're going to set the drawers primary part equal to primary, which is great. So then we just use grey outline, and the grey outline perfectly matches up with our red box, and we're going to use that to position it into all of those places we have just created. And then we're going to do the same for our desk as well. So we can pretty easily create a desk with 2 drawers. So we just duplicate this, and we can have 2 drawers, and then we can draw a line in between. Obviously, we'll delete primary, and we'll do something like that. And we have a desk unit, which is exactly, but again, it's the same size. We can line that up perfectly. There we go. It's 10 studs, so we can bring this part into the model, and we'll do the same thing. Set transparency to 1, and we'll name it primary, and we'll set the primary part of the desk to that part. There we go. So we've got a drawer, and we've got a desk, and they perfectly match up with our sizes. So now it's finally time to do some scripting. So what we're going to do is
Wait, the script time. No, so let me see this part. Yeah, I add this to the desk. So where did I wrong? So I think okay, and yeah, I did this. I did. So let me check this again. Hold on. Oh, just name. So we change name that we can spawn. So this is turn 100 and okay, 100, 108 and 108. Okay, let's go. This room, the 108 and 108, and this to 108. Which means the other room maybe it's 1, 2. Yeah, the small room, and this is still different. The S room, small room, S room. What? Okay, small room, S room. Fix this first. And S room. This which S room? Okay, this S room. And the last one. Okay. It's good now, and I think I need to let this from. Yeah, this is lit back into the wall. Every desk is into the wall. It's a tea room. This is different, and the okay, this is good. And the long room, this is different. Tea room and long room. Okay, let me check the tea room. This tea room. Wait, is this tea room? Yeah, this tea room. But okay, so left tea room. Let me do this first. And the long room. Okay, and next, I think what do we need to do? So, okay, let's keep watching the video.
We walk in here, there we go. We've got our furniture, we've got our chest of drawers over here, we've got our desk unit, and we're perfectly in the templates as we wanted them, and we can keep moving through the rooms, and we can see our furniture is in each of them. But obviously we can't interact with them or anything, which is rather boring. So that's what we're going to do next. So we hit stop, and we're going to now create a way of opening. And to do this, we're going to use a proximity block. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to loop through first of all and locate all of the drawers, because this one, our chest of drawers just has 2 drawers, whereas our desk has 4. So to organise this a little bit, let's just take the desk, and we'll select all the drawers, select all of them, and we'll put these into a folder named drawers.
Okay, let the drawer to folder. No, this only have 1. I'll change name. Drawer, and I'll make this to folder, and this is 3 have 3, so drawer and make folder drawer.
So we have them all in one place, and we'll do the same thing with the chest of drawers as well. Select both these drawers and put them in a folder named drawers. There we go. And so once we've done that, we can then, from our furniture script, we can then loop through each of those drawers. So let's check if the furniture model on page.
Okay, let's back, and here you create model.
Means find first child.
Find first child.
Contains the drawers folder.
Drawer.
Then we're going to
Then
we can say for I, drawer,
for
in, I pairs.
Drawer in I pair.
Furniture model. Dot drawers.
Tone.
Yeah, children.
And dot drawer. Get children.
That table. Do. And we're going to
do and
use some attributes to keep track of whether they can open or not. So we'll set drawer, set
drawer,
attribute, and the first attribute.
Drawer. Set attribute.
Attribute open initially.
Open.
That's going to be false. It's
False.
and then we're going to create another attribute that we're going to call moving.
Moving to true. Moving.
Keep track of whether it's moving or not, which is self-explanatory. And then we're going
No, this is false too.
to create our proximity prompt. So local prompt equals instance
Prompt
dot new proximity prompt.
instance new local prompt instance new, and like this.
And then we're just going to set a few settings. So the prompt's action text would be
action text. Prompt dot action text.
so we can use an empty string. The
Why is this somewhere wrong? Oh, yeah.
prompt dot max activation distance.
Prompt dot max activation
I think it
distance.
defaults to like 10 or so, but we can have it like 5.
Equal 5.
And then we're going to set the prompt dot parent
Prompt dot parent
equal to, and we want it to be inside
equal
of the
to
drawer.
drawer.
If if we do that, it's going to be directly in the middle of the drawer. If we put a proximity point right in there, well, we're not going to be able to see the proximity point. So to help us, we're going to use some attachment points. So if we go to the top on the mole tab and click create and we click attachment, we can add an attachment. We can get it nice and perfectly centered in the middle. So we're going to click one in the middle and we're going to click again. So we can now have two attachment spots. So if I have my constraint details visible,
Okay,
we'll be able to see them. And this first one in the middle.
Let's set attachment into here. Create attachment. Wait, why you move so fast? Stop. Wait, this is good. One to here, one to here. Let me see. Why it's so? Why you made in there? I already made this. One to here and one to here. Nope. One to here and this redo to here. Okay,
we're going to name content, we can name it, or we can name it location. This is where we're spawning items in, and the
location. The t-shirt to 1. Why you move to there? Let me change position. And how to change this position? What? Okay, and move this to here. And name this to location.
Second one, we'll name toggle.
Toggle.
That's where we're going to interact with it and move it in and out. Toggle the opening drawer. Let's just position this so it's roughly just in front of the handle. Something like that I think will look nicely. And we can move this out of it just if we want to make sure it's all centered. But I think it's probably just about.
Let's move this to here. And move to here. Why you change the position? Don't change. Huh? Okay. Wait. I can just do this. And you go down. Okay.
That's good enough where it was. So now go to attachment points, make sure we copy those into the drawers. So I'll paste these in down here, and now it's going to go over them.
Copy this and paste one more. Where did it go? Huh? One to this and one to this. Why you didn't change the position this time? Or because I didn't do this? So why you change? Why this is not same position? No, it's same. Okay. And move these to here. I need one more. Give me that. Let this do into the desk and into main. No, not main. Drawer. Is the main right? Or N? No, the main is right.
Desk, and do the same thing. Paste one into each of them. There we go. So now we've got our attachments. We can then set this one script.
Okay, let's close this folder.
So we'll set the proximity point inside of the drawer.toggle.
Toggle.
That's the name of our attachment. Before we do anything else, if we now hit play, we can just check if that's working straight away. Oh no, look, we've got an error. Enter index nil, which shows what's going on. So line 11, and actually that's a typo on my point. I don't want to be furniture, that's the name of the module. I want furniture model. There we go.
Okay. Let this to model.
That's why it's keep testing and keep your output window open. So there we go, no errors. If I go over these chest drawers, you should now see, that's it. You see little E's appearing on them. Depending on which one I'm closest to, it'll highlight and it's going to be positioned exactly where.
Okay, let me check that too. Where did I wrong? I don't know. Huh? Where did I wrong? Wait me a moment. I'll ask him. Did I screenshot? Okay. Let me move this trash and open to false and drawers folder. Wait, maybe this folder is different name? Yeah, this is different name. I don't think that can be something. Let's try. Oh, there was problem now. Wait, this is, yeah, this is right. So let me copy this program to him. So where did I wrong? No, somewhere wrong. Let me try again. Did I wrong the name again? No, I didn't. Yeah, this is same name. So where did I wrong this time? So this is not part. I don't need this. And oh, no problem now. Yeah, but still can. Let me check the name. Maybe somewhere wrong. This is drawer. This name is drawer. But why it's wrong? Let me change this too. And
Of where it was. So now go to attachment. We want to make sure we copy those into.
Where am I wrong? Let me move this out. No. Why it's wrong?
Draw.
Let me check the part of the script. Yeah, no problem. Yep, this shot, no problem. But why it's wrong? Did I miss
So
something?
we furniture, that's the name of the modules now. I want furniture.
Let me back.
Through each of those drawers.
This no don't have problem too. So why it's still wrong? Huh? What? Why?
Some attachment hooks. So if we go to the top on the model tab and click create and click attachment, we can add an attachment and get it nice and perfectly set in the middle. So we're going to click one in the middle and we're going to click again. So we should now have two attachment sites. So if I have my constraint details visible, we'll be able to see them. And this first one in the middle, we're going to name content, we can name it, or we can name it, we'll name it location. This is where we're spawning items in. And the second one will
Yep, this name is location. And this name
toggle, because that's where we're going to interact with it and move it in and out. Toggle the opening of the drawer. Let's just position this so that it's roughly just in front of the handle. Something like that I think will look nicely. And we can move it out of it just if we want to make sure it's all centered. But I think it's probably just about good enough where it was. So now go to attachment points, make sure we copy those into the drawers. So I'll paste these in down here, and I also need to go over to my desk and do the same thing, paste one into each of them. There we go. So now we've got our attachments, we can then set this from the script. So we'll set the proximity point inside of the drawer.toggle, which is the name of our attachment. And before we do anything else, if we now hit play, we can just check if that's working. Straight away, oh no, look, we've got an error here. Tend to index nil with children, what's going on? So line 11, and actually that's a typo on my point. I don't want to be furniture, that's the name of the modules, I want furniture model. There we go. That's why it's good to keep testing and keep your output window open. So there we go, no errors. If I go over these,
So where did I wrong? Why am wrong? Wait. I didn't see this problem. No, I saw this. So this is room script. Can I check the room script part? Where is the room script? Here is and
when we're calling the door.new function, we're going to do something very, yeah, we're going to create some new furniture for ourselves. So let's head back in. that furniture script. New function. This is called, because remember, the room model, right, all content. That will have the room model. If it comes to any furniture, contains a furniture. This is going to have the room model set to it as an argument, and then we're going to have to check if that room model, if it actually contains a furniture folder, because remember, some set to it, initial one with furniture, and the very top, it's a, and then inside there are rooms. So funny.
So yep, this don't have the program, and let's see, this is right too.
Wait. We will load in. You can see I've redesigned the beautiful start with, of course, we're still keeping perfectly out of theme the rest of the place. And if we walk in here, there we go. We've got our furniture with our chest of drawers. And we're going to now locate all of the. To do this, we're going to use a proximity box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to loop through first of all and locate all of the drawers. All in one drawers. Each of those drawers. So let's check if the furniture model contains, my first charge contains the drawers folder. Then we're going to loop.
Maybe this is wrong. So what is the prompt?
So we write in the drawer.
Proximity prompt. What is this? Okay. Oh, I know. So
Drawer. But if we do that, it's going to be directly in the middle of the drawer. Right? So we copy those the drawer dot toggle, which is the name of our attachment. And before we do any
I'll give up today. I'll fix this next time. Goodbye.